And on to more news coming in, this one in relation to the Tawang clashes, while even as the Jawans gave it back to the Chinese PLA troops after the Chinese tried to change the status quo, the politics continues over the Tawang clashes. In fact, in the latest, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has waded into the Tawang clash debate. Kejriwal has questioned the government for rewarding China instead of punishing it for the incursions along the de facto border, most recently in Arunachal Pradesh. So after Congress, it's the Aam Aadmi Party that has waded into the Tawang clash debate, questioning the stand of the government, and also going on to add that the government has rewarded China instead of punishing it for the incursions along the de facto border, most recently in Arunachal Pradesh. So after the Congress, it's the Aam Aadmi Party that is playing all-out politics over the Tawang clash. This even as the Jawans thwarted that transgression attempt that was made by the Chinese PLA in the Tawang sector of Arunachal Pradesh. The AAP, they are questioning the government over the transgression attempt that was made by China. In fact, let's listen into that soundbite coming in of Arvind Kejriwal.
वो जिस तरह से पिछले कुछ सालों में चाइना हम लोगों को आंखें दिखा रहा है, चाइना जिस तरह से हमारे ऊपर जब कब छोटे बड़े हमले कर देता है, हमारे देश के जवान बॉर्डर के ऊपर चाइना का डट के मुकाबला कर रहे हैं, अपनी जान तक दे रहे हैं। कई जवानों ने अपनी जान दे दी। उसके बावजूद सुनने में आता है कि चाइना कहीं पे इतने किलोमीटर अंदर घुस गया, चाइना कहीं पे इतने किलोमीटर अंदर घुस गया। भारत सरकार कहती है नहीं नहीं सब ठीक है। मीडिया में आता है, सोशल मीडिया में आता है कि नहीं नहीं सरकार ठीक नहीं बोल रही। अब एक तरफ चाइना हमें आंखें दिखा रहा है, एक तरफ बॉर्डर के ऊपर हमारा सैनिक जो है वो चाइना का डट के मुकाबला कर रहा है, अपनी जान तक दे रहा है। कई सैनिकों की जान चली गई। और दूसरी तरफ मैं देख रहा था कि हम चाइना को इसका इनाम देते जा रहे हैं। हमारी सरकार, केंद्र सरकार को पता नहीं क्या हो गया, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को पता नहीं क्या हो गया, उनको सजा देने की बजाय वो हमें आंख दिखाते हैं, उनकी आंख में आंख डाल के उनको जवाब देने की बजाय उनके साथ हम और सामान खरीद रहे हैं, उनसे चाइना से और सामान खरीद रहे हैं। 2020-21 में यानी कि पिछले से पिछले साल में हमने $65 बिलियन का चाइना का माल खरीदा। $65 बिलियन मतलब मोटे मोटे तौर पे 5.25 लाख करोड़ रुपए का सामान भारत ने चाइना से खरीदा। चाइना ने और आंख दिखाई। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने अगले साल $95 बिलियन का 7.5 लाख करोड़ का और सामान खरीदा, उनसे और सामान खरीदा। अरे आपको तो उनको सजा देनी चाहिए थी, उनको कहना चाहिए था कि या तो तमीज से रहो नहीं तो हम सामान खरीदना बंद कर देंगे तुमसे। करना चाहिए था कि नहीं करना चाहिए था? हमें तो उनको सजा देनी चाहिए थी, उनसे और माल खरीदने की। क्या मजबूरी है केंद्र सरकार की? क्या मजबूरी है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की? एक तरफ हमारे बॉर्डर पे सैनिक जान दे रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ ये चाइना को इनाम पे इनाम देते जा रहे हैं, चाइना से और माल खरीद रहे हैं, और माल खरीद रहे हैं। क्यों? हमारे सैनिकों की जान की कोई कीमत नहीं है क्या? और माल क्या खरीदते हैं? चप्पलें इंपोर्ट हो रही है, कपड़े इंपोर्ट हो रहे हैं, खिलौने इंपोर्ट हो रहे हैं। ये हम नहीं बना सकते? चप्पलें हम नहीं बना सकते? कपड़े हम नहीं बना सकते?
And Piyush Mishra, of course, continues to be with us. Piyush, if you heard that soundbite of Arvind Kejriwal, it's as baffling as it gets. The opposition, be it the Congress, on one hand questioning the deployment of the military forces, Arvind Kejriwal questioning the stand of the government, and it's, China probably who's out there standing by and having a good laugh over it that the government and the opposition are not taking a firm stand, are not united when it comes to sending out that message that India stands united when it comes to taking a strong stand against the forces, the Chinese troops.
Well, absolutely, Samiksha. It's really unfortunate that at one side, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has made a statement on the entire incident on the floor of the House, but we are seeing how the political parties like Congress left, and now the new one is Aam Aadmi Party coming out and questioning the government on this. The point here is that Arvind Kejriwal is highlighting one important point, that we are importing toys, clothes from China, but Arvind Kejriwal and his political party leaders should now go into the markets, Indian markets, and try to find out if we have Chinese-made products. Let me tell to these political parties that we will no more find any kind of Chinese-made products, Chinese-made toys
Yes.
or Chinese-made clothes, because we have started building or manufacturing these items here in India, and there's a complete ban on apps also, and also
Yes.
import of China. So it's very important to highlight as to how the lies are being peddled.
Yes.
The politics continue to take place on this entire issue. The government has made it very clear that it has made its statement.
Piyush, I'm
very
sorry,
much clear
just
on
stay with us. Yes, just hold your thoughts. I'll just come back to you. We have Sardar RP Singh of the BJP also joining us. Sir, would you want to respond to the opposition? Because after the Congress that questioned the military deployment at the border areas, the Aam Aadmi Party there questioning the widening trade deficit, thereby questioning the government's stand against China.
Keep raising questions on the army, whether it was the Balakot strike or whether it was a surgical strike. He is the one who said give us proof of the strike. Now they are saying that we should, because of the trade of China, and I appreciate Mr. Kejriwal should go around Surajnagar market or the Tolbagh market or the local markets of Delhi and check how many Chinese products are being sold. Gradually, Chinese products have vanished from the Indian markets. Especially the toys. The toys are almost which are made in India now. We don't import much toys now from China. So similarly, the trade has been taken care. Whatever the bare minimum required has been done, and also the all big contracts have been called off from the Chinese vendors. But Mr. Kejriwal is trying to demoralize the army. When he raises all such questions, he demoralizes the army. The fact is that they will keep doing petty politics, and they'll use even the army or for that terror for their political objectives.
Well, absolutely. And the point here being that such petty politics by the opposition will definitely not demoralize the valor and determination of our forces. Thank you for speaking to us. So BJP's RP Singh there giving his response to Aam Aadmi Party that has questioned the government's stand on China. And Piyush, of course, continues to be with us. Piyush, all right, we'll go across to Piyush again, but Piyush, they're getting us more details as to the reactions coming in from the opposition as all-out politics continues even as days after